Yeah, we're the same way. We eat nuts a lot, and I'm always like, don't eat them in the family room. Hi, Bogey. What's wrong? What's wrong? But yeah, I know. Part of me was
that
like,
button.
oh, I'd love to give it to you because it's like another family unit. It's a great, easy snack, but I'm just so nervous.
Nicholas, what are you doing? Your teeth hurt? Nothing in your mouth? How many teeth do you have? Well, he's got 4 in the front, and he's got this bottom one eye tooth is all the way in. You gonna hit the ball? Hit the ball.
I think Ben's pretty close. Let mommy see your teeth. Can I see how many teeth you have? Yeah, you have a lot. How many teeth does Ben have? Let me see your teeth. Can I see Ben's teeth? He's gonna bite you if you put your finger in there. This one, he was chewing on his finger yesterday in the car, and he bit his finger into. It hurt, huh? The house? You going in the house? You gonna go in the house?